Okay, I got my pan right here. I'm using a little one today. You can always use a 9x13 if you wanted to. I'm gonna go ahead and coat this in some oil right here. We don't want anything sticking to it. Okay, that's it. And that's just a little bit of olive oil. Any kind of oil you want is fine. Okay, let's put that to the side. Got my measuring cup right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna take some of this Wolf brand chili. We're gonna put it inside of this. Let's go ahead and empty this out. Y'all. Y'all like Wolf brand chili? I think it's pretty good. It's gonna be easy peasy dinner. So easy. So then I've got some, look at me making a mess. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then I've got some water right here. I'm gonna add just a little bit here. I got maybe about a half a cup. I'm just trying to thin out this chili. So we're gonna mix that all in. Now, you can add more here in a little bit if you want. We're just trying to get it kind of thinned up. Oh, somebody's excited. She smelled the can opening. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit more here. Okay. Y'all, this dinner is gonna be so easy. Everybody's gonna love it. I'll tell you, it's the easiest one. Y'all, I've been making this for decades. It's been a family favorite, and I know your family's gonna love it too. Okay, so, all right, and then we're gonna go ahead and set that to the side. Okay, I have some corn tortillas right here. These are just store-bought corn tortillas. Now, I went ahead and toasted these with a little Pam on my stove, okay? So that kind of removes all the moisture. Now, what we're gonna do is I've got some freshly grated cheese. You can use any kind of cheese that you want. I'm using sharp cheddar cheese. You could use Colby Jack, you could use sharp white, and we're just gonna put a little bit in the center. We're gonna roll that up, and then I'm gonna add them to my pan. Just like that, y'all. It's gonna be easy. Now, if you wanted to, you could add chicken to this, but we're just going with some cheese enchiladas right now. Y'all, this is gonna be so good. I'm whipping this up easy. So we're gonna keep on rolling. Now I'm gonna finish this up. I'll be right back. All right, this is the last one. I'm gonna see if I can squeeze it in. I'm gonna make it just a little bit thinner here. All right, so as we heated those corn tortillas up, see now they're not falling apart. Okay, yep, we got it all in. Now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna look at our chili. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more water. I kinda want it a little bit more thinner. Okay, so you're gonna just go ahead and thin it. I probably added a little over a half a cup to that full can of chili, and you can use any kind of chili of your choice. All right, then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and pour this over. That is so satisfying. All right, we're gonna use all of it. Of course, we're gonna use all of it. So scrape all that out. Okay, a little bit more. Now we want it to go all on the side and around, maybe even in between a little bit. Now remember, we went ahead and sprayed the bottom, so hopefully it won't stick. Okay, I'll move those up around. There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, now last but not least, we've got to add some more cheese to it. Okay, and I like to just put it right down the center, just like that, kind of garnish it up. Okay, all right. We're gonna go ahead and cover this and put it in the oven at 300 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes.